What it do, YouTube? We back with another video. Hey, we really grinding out here, man. All 2024. Yeah, it's 2024. I'm a little bit slow, don't mind that. But hey, to all my returning subscribers, thanks for tuning back into the video. Make sure you leave a like, comment what you like about the video, what you dislike, all that stuff. And to all my new subscribers or new potential subscribers, consider hitting that like button too, and subscribing. It's a channel where we do car content, and we do food things too. I'm not gonna say I'm per se a food reviewer. I just try the food, showcase it. But without further ado, let's get with this cold start. Let this seat there. Make sure my settings right, of course. Always put that in track. Let's roll the windows on. It's a beautiful day outside. Turn this down. I'm actually gonna go fill up on gas. And we're back. Now, I did drive here with the camera on, but I feel like the drive was boring, so I'm not gonna post that. Save y'all some time. But that do mean I gotta do like what I was talking about over again. Make sure that. Go follow me on Instagram. Same as the channel name, if y'all haven't. Alright, so let's get this on the road. So I don't know if I said it in the first intro, but we are trying the new Little Caesars menu item. It comes in cheese and pepperoni, if I'm not mistaken. Now I don't know if it's like the Italian cheese bread or not. Now the I keep saying I don't know what the hell I'm gonna say. I'm trying to see which Little Caesars we go to. 14-minute drive. Yeah, man, I seen this all up and down on the For You page, so you know, we gotta try it. We have to, and y'all come in with me because y'all have to. Get them settings right. You know we can't leave without getting them settings right. All right, which way we gonna take? Also, I don't know if I said this, but I got my back seats down, so the exhaust might sound a little bit louder. Hopefully y'all like it. Let me know in the comments if y'all like it. Should I keep them up? Just experiment, seeing what I like. If I like it, I'm gonna keep it. But if y'all just say, hey, this is too loud, then I'll fix it. About getting a new car. Actually, I'm gonna try to keep this one. I want something manual. I'm thinking about getting a GT 350. I don't know why, but that's just lately it's just been growing on me. It's this one YouTuber I watch that he has one. His name is POV, and man, he made. Only thing is, only problem, I don't know how to drive manual. But at one point, I didn't know how to drive a car at all, so pretty sure it can't be that difficult. Y'all make it seem difficult with the terms. But man, that car is just so beautiful. I want one. Definitely want one. If I can find a good, reasonable price one. Them things are expensive. I was looking the other day, the 2016 one is still $60K down there. I probably gotta go out of state to get mine. Michigan, they always taxing. But if y'all know somebody that's selling one, hit my line. I'm looking to buy one, or I'm consider buying one. It must have the premium package. I can't. I had a V6 with the calculator screen. I can't do it. Can't do it. So that's a must. Even if I don't know where I'm going, I still have it on. Sometimes it be lying though, cause is that them? No, that ain't them. Is that Firebird? Oh, that's a Camaro. Ooh, don't cook me. Don't cook me. See it already now. Like, this nigga don't know nothing about cars. He got enough space here if I can pull up. I'm so late to the car community. I never cared for cars growing up. Y'all didn't let me finish. Growing up, I never cared for cars. And then it was time to buy my own car. And I researched and researched. What I really wanted so bad was a FRS. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just never got it. And what did I end up getting? I ended up getting a V6 2017 S550. So this model, just without the 10-speed, and it was a V6. And hey man, I love that car. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care what nobody say. Damn, what's the hold up, y'all? Can y'all turn? Y'all got me out here like a sitting duck. I wonder, would it be smart to put the turbo system from a EcoBoost in the V6? I wonder. Like, would you see a gain, or would it be slower since it's not as big as a turbo? But those EcoBoosts got some capability. I don't know why people underestimate those. That's just what's going through my head right now. Cause who knows, I might just build my V6. I still got it. It's parked at my mom's house. Might twin turbo that one and drop a supercharger in this one. Feels so good outside. I need to do something today besides video. I wonder if it's a car meet going on. Gotta go all the way to the other side of town though to see. So I'm probably not gonna do that. Maybe if somebody called me and asked me if I want to go, then I'll go. But enough yapping. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up if y'all enjoy the drive. If not, I'm gonna slap your knees when I see them. I know they asked you too. I'll go Eco Boost right there. Speak of the devil. Think he'll let me have his turbo? If I let them have 2 extra cylinders. Hello. Oh, what is that? Is that a yours? I'm blind. Or is it the Audi? I don't know what that one called. I think that's it. I can't tell. Come back. Wait for me. Green light. Got going on. Oh, they got them 2 Camaros standing off like that. That's a good picture. Please don't walk in the street. Thank you. Camaros out today. I don't like that. What they trying to do? They trying to get into something. If y'all seen my last video, I raced that Camaro, man. If I didn't get cut off, y'all would have seen how bad I had a lead on them. But it is what it is. Hopefully it's more races. It's like 30 ways you can turn. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. Mustang. It's an Eco, but it's still a Mustang. You know, we show them love too. They need to cut down this tree. It's a blind spot. Hell of a blind spot. But I'm not gonna walk in. Y'all know what the Little Caesars look like. You know, it's orange. They got pizzas here, there, here, there. So I'ma when I park, I'ma cut to what? I'ma cut to you know, us getting the pizza, and we gonna try it. Do we rate it? I think we gonna rate it because it's new. I never had it. Can I park here? This somebody's house, man. I got it. Let's see what it's heading on. Now, before I open this, he said it was gonna gonna take 5 minutes. I put up 10 fingers. He said it was gonna take 5 minutes. It took 30 minutes to get this. So we about to see, man. Everybody's coming in and ordering this. So obviously it's something. Definitely something. I ain't gonna lie, these look good. These look good as hell. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Don't those look good? Can y'all see? I ain't trying to drip all the juices on it. Now I got 2 orders. I got the cheese bread and I got the pepperoni. Hey, these look terrific. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that. Ooh, don't drip on my car. We about to try it. We gonna rate it 1 through 10 too. All right, let's see. Nah, it look good. But honestly, this is the cheese one, by the way. It tastes like Italian bread. It just tastes like an Italian puff. It's nothing special. Y'all overgassed this, man. It looked good. Presentation. I give it a 7 out of 10. It's nothing but the Italian cheese bread. Now we're gonna try the pepperoni one. Dropped y'all. Now we this the pepperoni one. Hey, these look better than the cheese. These definitely look better than the cheese. You can see the little pepperoni on top, like the last one. It look good. Yeah, man. Let's try it. Without further ado. Hot. Very hot. I definitely prefer this one over the cheese. I am. I'm gonna burn my mouth. This one got more of a taste to it. Last one, it just tastes like Italian bread. This just tastes like Italian bread with cheese. So, a 7 out of 10. Man, y'all gassed this up. I thought it was something special. I thought it was a new thing. It's not bad. It's not bad. I give it that. But it ain't all that, man. For all what I was seeing on TikTok, crazy. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. All right, see y'all.